Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to Space City Cannabis. Welcome back to this real short and quick video I wanted to make. But before we get started, go ahead and drop a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. So first off, I want to send a special shout out to the Kush Clinic and Hash Tribe. I reached out to them on Instagram. I seen these going, and I thought, what better way to start off the new year than with a mistletoe? And not only did I get one, but I got two, as you guys can see. Let's go ahead and do a little once over on this box. We got mistletoe ornament, kiss me under the mistletoe. On one side, we have a toad venom crossword puzzle. On the back side, we have basically what's inside of the box. The missile at the top can be used as a pendant. It also has 3 filter tips inside of it. The whole toad is a jar, which is heat sensitive, so heat reactive to alert when a cool down is needed, as well as everybody that was involved in the project. So we have Kush Clinic, we have the Tribe, the Firm, and Ronin. So special shout out to all of you guys. And let's go ahead and open this up. Now I went ahead and opened one up already. The other little surprise is inside of the actual toads. So every toad came with either a coal or a gold toad. So if you won a gold toad, then you get a nice special surprise. Go ahead and close this back up. Really cool little stash jar, as well as the missile pendant. Go ahead and set that back down. Might help if we put it on the right way. There we go. And let's go ahead and open up this one. I left this one unopened just so that we could see if we won that golden toad. So we'll take the toad out, and then we'll take the base out. Go ahead and just push it up on the box here, and we'll see if it slides right out. All right, guys, and it slid right out of the box. Let's go ahead and put it right there on the side. And let's go ahead and show off the toad here. 3D printed. We got the nice little hanging tab on the actual missile. Sorry, I don't know why I said it like that. We got the detachable missile. Be careful when you pull this out. I recommend pulling it straight down. If you try to yank it straight up, you might damage these tabs. The top just pops off, revealing the filter tips right here. Let's go ahead and check those out. Got the filter tips with the toad on there, with some really good looking airflow. So those will come in handy, especially if you're a roller. You like pulling up to your sessions with some tips in hand. Well, here you go, man. You got a nice little stash spot right there. Now, let's go ahead and move on, and let's open up this toad. And we're going to go ahead and check out and see if we were lucky enough to win a golden toad. Cross your fingers. And let's see what we got here, guys. I'm going to open it up live with you guys. Oh, we got a coal. Wah, wah, wah. Thank you for playing. But regardless, man, it's a nice little stash jar. You can fit probably an eighth in there. Screw it back on. And if you leave your hands on it for just a little bit, you guys will see how it is heat reactive. See how it changes colors? The whole toad changed colors, letting you know that it is getting a bit warm in there. So I thought that was pretty cool, man. As soon as I saw it, I knew I had to have it. And hopefully I'll be able to bring some of that toad venom onto the channel very soon. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next unboxing. Peace. As soon as I saw it, I knew I had to have it. And hopefully I'll be able to bring some of that toad venom onto the channel very soon. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next unboxing. Peace.